Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about something which concerns both the programmers looking forward for a senior developer job as well as for the organizations who are looking forward to hire senior developers. Now what is meant by senior developers? Couple of decades back or even 10 years back, when the organizations wanted to hire a senior developer, they would go ahead and say to their HR teams that okay, you know what, hire someone with 10-15 years of experience with C, C++, Java, Unix and so on and so forth. Now things have changed. Think about it. React.js was not there 6-7 years back. All the NoSQL databases of the world started appearing around 2008 or 7 time frame. Things like Kubernetes and Docker are extremely new. In fact, Docker was first proposed around 2013. Same is applicable for TensorFlow or PyTorch libraries for machine learning, which are just 3 to 4 years old. So, you still need to develop software, you still need senior developers, but how will you get senior developers in these topics which are not even 4 to 5 years old? This is a serious problem for the organization as well as for the programmers. I am not going to argue whether years of experience actually means actual years of actual experience, but let's talk about this from both the programmer's perspective as well as from the perspective of organizations. In today's world, a senior developer is not someone who has spent lots and lots of time in a particular domain or technology. In today's fast changing world, a senior developer is someone who has the ability of understanding and comprehending the changes that are happening at a rapid pace. For example, in today's world, if a developer decides to take a programming language, for example C++ or for that matter Python, and decides to work in that domain for all its duration, I will not consider that developer as a senior developer even if the person has spent considerable amount of time in that language. Of course, he or she may be an expert in that particular language, but a senior developer means that when you are developing a product, so in today's world, no product is built with one technology, one platform, one domain. You have back end, you have front end, you have data storage, you have cloud, you have many other things, and you have to take decisions considering all of them in mind. So, as a programmer, what I will recommend you to go ahead and explore multiple programming language, explore cloud computing, explore multiple NoSQL databases, explore Kubernetes, explore how Docker works, and then you can call yourself as a senior developer. Even a teenager who has explored all those things can be a senior developer. The reason for this is that the things are changing and we need to be able to adapt to those changes around the world in technology sector. And that's why I will highly recommend each and every programmer to have a GitHub page of their own. If you have a GitHub page, it lets someone to understand what you have worked on, how did you comprehend some things, what are your choices, what are the decisions you made, and that will help a potential employer to understand you and what you stand for. For the organizations, the days of hiring people with years of experience, considering 10-20 years of experience as senior developer, it's gonna over if it is not over yet. You need to understand that you are hiring a person, a senior developer, which has the ability to develop things even if the technology changes. Consider what you will do when you hire someone for a technology and that dies very next month. Of course, you need to adapt to the new one. For you, a senior developer should be someone who has the capability and understanding of evolving things, changing things, and has the capability to adopt to those changes. This is what is meant by senior developers to the organizations. So that's all for this particular video. I hope I was able to explain the thing which I wanted to explain. Thanks a lot guys. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks a lot.